for me, it was quite, I don't want to say easy, but it was, I started as a researcher. I added my PhD later because I was a biologist. So my idea was to have a PhD in engineering. And so when I had my PhD, I was already a researcher in the field. And so for this reason, I had no problem related to the fact that I was a PhD student in the field. I was already a leader in micro system engineering. And so for me, it was important to have this title and to improve my knowledge on microsystem engineering, because as I mentioned, I started from microsystems, actually developing such a sensor for environmental monitoring. So it was a very important part of my career. And I learned a lot from the PhD in this field. Now, in my group, so following PhD students, different gender, I don't see problems for female. At least not different problems. So the problem could be the fact that they have to address topics that never seen before, because they start to work in bio-inspired technologies or in soft robotics that they've never seen during their training or the university. So they have to start with these challenges. But female don't have any problem on that. And I mean, depending by the person, of course, it could be more familiar or not, and having the right skill for addressing such topics. But they are really, in general, they are really motivated. And the environment are really friendly and open, so people discuss. There are PhD students, female, that are from biology, other are from computer science, other are from material science. And they discuss with people that come from engineering. So I really like the sea in which they try to face the problem. And so I don't see any difference on that. So all of them, they contribute with their competence, with their background, that they also cultural background, because they come from different countries, and this is also very important. But I think that the situation really changes in better from my perspective, since I started before, and so when I was alone in the engineering field, and so now the only problem that they have to face is the complexity of the topic, and the complexity of the research program. This is, of course, yes, is a problem for all of us, but apart of that, the situation is really, yes, positive for